Welcome to this tutorial on how to install Kaspersky Antivirus. Kaspersky is a trusted antivirus software that provides excellent protection against viruses, malware, and other online threats. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps of installing Kaspersky Antivirus on your computer. Let's get started. Step 1. Download Kaspersky Antivirus. The first step is to download the Kaspersky Antivirus installer from the official Kaspersky website. To do this, open your web browser and go to Kaspersky's website. Click on the Download button and select the Kaspersky Antivirus installer that is compatible with your operating system. Step 2. Run the Kaspersky Antivirus installer. Once the installer has finished downloading, open the folder where the installer was saved and run the Kaspersky Antivirus installer by double-clicking on the file. Step 3. Allow Kaspersky to make changes to your computer. When the installer opens, it will ask you for permission to make changes to your computer. Click Yes to allow Kaspersky to proceed with the installation. Step 4. Install Kaspersky Antivirus. The next screen will ask you to read and accept the end-user license agreement. After reading the agreement, click on the Accept button to continue. You will then be presented with the installation options. Choose the installation type that suits your needs, and then click on the Install button to start the installation process. Step 5. Wait for Kaspersky to install. The installation process may take a few minutes, depending on your computer's speed. You can monitor the progress of the installation from the progress bar. Once the installation is complete, click on the Finish button to close the installer. Step 6. Update Kaspersky Antivirus. After installation, Kaspersky will automatically check for updates to ensure that you have the latest protection against viruses and malware. Wait for the update process to finish, and then you're done. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Kaspersky Antivirus on your computer. Remember to keep Kaspersky updated to stay protected against new and emerging threats. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful.